What's up, y'all? Today we got a haul from the Dollar Tree featuring Juicy and Meg. And before we clean up, we went to the Dollar Tree first thing this morning because we had a lot of stuff to get. A few things to get for our day, and we ended up with a lot of stuff. So let's do it. Y'all ignore Juice. My sister and I needed some of these picks. She got the Guru Nanda Basics, and I got the green minty meth. No, it don't say meth. It say minty mint. And Juicy got a snack. She got some strawberries. So I guess we'll eat those now. Here you go, Leia. Some fresh dried berries. Happy about that. And then we needed bathroom covers for our toothbrushes. So I got us our new covers. I got a Swiffer that only came with 2 mats to clean your floors. So I got the 20 pack, which was a great deal from the Dollar Tree of Swiffer refills, and they lemon scented. Love that, y'all. And then I got my sister. She going somewhere tomorrow, so these cute laces to match her outfit. And then we always need ice, so I bought us an ice tray for when we don't have time to go to the racetrack. I love these, the bendy ones that you can just pop the ice right out of. So convenient. And they got a new display of these. These were new. So make sure y'all go cop a few of these for the summer.
And they soft on the bottom so you can push them out.
That's what I love. I got these for our sinks and our bathroom countertops. Fill them up with a little vinegar, a little dish soap, and some warm water. And we can clean our countertops in our bathroom as we use them. I love the powdered bleach. I know this old school, but it does wonders when you have stains in your kids' clothes for real cheap. $1.25, you can't get this. And then I also got 2 bags of the new luxury carpet freshener. It smells so good, y'all. For $1.25, and it's a lot in here. I didn't see the Arm & Hammer ones. Maybe this is becoming a new, scent for the store, but I'm actually okay with it. This is okay with me. Then I saw this on Lemonade, I believe. 2-tier under the sink rack for $5. You can't beat that, and I'm gonna get that and store the cleaning products for each bathroom under the sink. Lucy needed some batteries, so I got her some new batteries for her toys. I got some nails. These were really cute to me. I want to do a video putting these on, so I got something new for the summer. And then Megan got some lashes by Ione. They have some real good lashes in our Dollar Tree. They even had the lashes with like the butterflies and stuff on them, like you got lash extensions. Another pack of those nails, because if you didn't know, only 12 comes in here. You're gonna need 24 nails to make sure you got size and fit every hand. My sister making some bronzers, so we got some spray bottles. And then she got another pair of lashes. I didn't see these. These real cute. From Ione. The Ione display was very cute in our store.
I'm probably gonna stack those. I don't know yet.
Yeah, those look real, like they'll be real cute stacked. These on the bottom and maybe these on top to go through the wispy ones. We got some alcohol. I always need that for nails, bug bites, everything. Ooh, sorry, baby. And then I got some more batteries. We love baby powder, so we got some of this new baby powder. I saw it smells real good. They got 2 different scents in there, and we grabbed one. Megan got a brown brow pencil lip liner from LA Colors. And then this to make the bronzers. This is the OG loose eyeshadow. Like this, if you ain't been using this and using it in school, I don't know. Megan got, again, the Guru Nanda signature toothbrush cover for her toothbrush. Some baby oil to make her spray on bronzer for her body. And last but not least, this is something I'm excited about finding. It's a soup container. It comes with a lid and a steaming button, so you can steam and store your soup in this cup. And she likes soups and stuff like this, so we got this. And then lastly, that wasn't last, my bad. This basket, I have these in the top of my closet to store my extra clothes and stuff like that, so that's where that's going. And later got a medical playset, which I thought was so cute for them to have. It comes with a syringe, a stethoscope, and some other stuff in here. You want to open it?
Dr. Juicy.
Yeah, Dr. Juicy. But yeah, that was my visit to the dollar store today. If you made it this far, thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to my channel, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye. Say bye, Juicy. Bye-bye. You want to say bye-bye? Play with your toys.